guys, it's Kate. Welcome to my vlog. For today's video guys is we're gonna get some buko or a coconut there in the back of our house to drink. And let me show you the back of our house. We're gonna look if there's any coconut. Okay? It's the entrance. So this is the entrance. I don't know if there's any coconut there. So my brother is already climbing the tree. As far as you can see. And I don't think there's any coconut. Okay. Hindi pa puluto ang iba. Titita na makuha sang buko. May dyan how? Do ilong mo na tanan eh.
Isa ba? Ilong ka ni?
Hindi pa naluto.
Hindi pa naluto. Kurang na niya.
Nung gurang. So, I don't know guys. I don't know guys if it's already ready for eating or drinking. But I'm gonna enter this. Grabe ang tawag ni. Ang challenges ha, para lang makakuha sang buko ha. So, what's the plan guys? I'm just actually here to watch guys. Yes, and emotional support. So, wala gid ko di obrahan. Manaro to. So, sakaan nyo na. May videohan ta mo, go. Gusto nyo ako masaka? Tries guys, we failed to get some buko kasi nga hindi po paluto. Hindi gid sila magpati sa akon, hindi ganit luto, pero nagsaka man gyapon sila. Oh guys, yun na yun guys. We failed to get some buko. Maybe we'll try again later. Wala kaming kakuha sang buko, pero nag-decide kami nga tubo na lang. Amo gini guys ang advantage kung ara ka sa uma, may different options ka para sa pamahawon mo kag kanon mo. So diri nga tubo ang kuan. Diri na. Ang pula ka sa. Ngayon. Hindi ko sila mo nata. Biyak na. Hindi pa gini tayo. Sige.
No.
Ay, please. Wala. And guys, nakakuha na kami. Timpasugtan man kami. Kapamilya man hamo ng kaparinte gali namo ng tagiya dito. Hindi na. Okay lang na. At least guys, ito sakta. Nakakuha kami katubo. Ito nakakuha kami guys. Dalo na naman sa may balay. Ha? At least guys, nakakuha kami sang tawag niyan sang tubo guys. Successful ang pagkuha antes sa magdisin ka. Natakpas na. Hindi mo alam na. So, tawag niya, i-doon ko lang dito yun.
palitan ta. Tipid.
So guys, gina-enjoy lang namon ang ging tapas namon no antes kami maglisensya na tapas doon. Pero kanamit guys, you should try. Namit mo na. Anong masasabi mo nga antes mo na kanon, way ka pa kalisensya?
Ilaw.
Guys, try namon karon nga magkuha sang buko karon kung ara si Tito. Okay? So, ang nitapuso ng namon, nandididri kami katambay. Kauna namon.
A few moments later.
So yes guys, my grandmother just arrived from town with my tita and they bought some Christmas tree and Christmas decorations because December is near and we're gonna celebrate Christmas together. So of course I'm helping out my grandmother with the Christmas decoration and Christmas tree. And also my tita told me that we're going somewhere so I need to be ready, but then the rain came and we waited until it stops. And I'm just helping my grandmother finishing her, Christmas tree. But then we arrive at Kalakaan because the rain wouldn't stop. We just buy some foods and of course some snacks. So as you can see guys, I'm just happy eating my fries and of course my hamburger there, and of course there's also milk tea, which is really good. We just arrived back at home and I'm gonna show you the finished product of the Christmas tree, which is here. It's really good guys, it's really nice. And of course I think that's it for today. Bye guys and see you in episode 4. Bye!